teacher.
What is your name?
My name is Harry.
Harry, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, so look at Lily, Tom, Billy, and Tim. All right. So how does Lily feel?
She is happy.
Very good. How does Tom feel?
He is sad.
Okay, is Billy hungry?
Yes, he is.
And is Tim's great?
No, he isn't.
Now, how do you feel right now?
I'm happy.
Let's proceed now for this one, Harry. There are many shapes. Where is the circle? All right, very good. So, how many circles do you see?
2 circles.
Okay, so what shape is it?
This is a square.
So, find me a yellow square. Very good. So now is what is this? It's
It's
a
a triangle.
Are there three triangles?
No.
No, they
No, they aren't.
aren't. All right. Is it a purple rectangle?
Yes.
Yes. It
Yes. E.
Yes, it is. All right. So now what letter is it?
Letter N.
Okay, letter N sounds
No.
na na. Okay, so now show me your nose. Okay, very good. So now let's proceed for this one. Find me one word that starts with letter O.
Orange.
Orange. All right. So what is this?
This is a nut.
Okay, so the orange starts with letter C or letter O.
Letter O.
Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
All right.